My name is Peter Knogl. I am the chef of the Cheval Blanc in Basel. I want to present you some special dish of us. Langoustine with madras curry, green apple. Okay. We have a really nice product from South Africa. It's one of the best. It's a really good product. A little bit of salt. And need a really hot pan. Not Dom Perignon, it's only oil. Little bit of oil. But it's a really nice color. And important, it's not too long, and you have to be really not too much cook. And then the langoustine is too much cook, and everything is dry. Okay. After you do a little bit just make a nice taste. On the top we do a little bit of lemon, salt lemon. We do some lime on the top. And the sauce, have the sauce, really nice fun. And curry sauce. It's very light. And this is a green apple chili. We cook it with juice of apple and some vinegar. Green apple sticks. Some chive and dill. And flowers, apple blossom. the top we do some crispy. That's bricked. It's some crispy of brick. It's a special pasta. Bon appétit.